In today's video, we're going to learn and practice the treble crochet stitch. That's US terms treble crochet. In UK, that would be double treble. So we're going to start with a slip knot. To make an easy slip knot, you want to lay your yarn flat, take the tail end and flip it over to make a loop. And now flip that loop over again across your long working yarn. Take your hook and take out the middle section, grab both ends and pull. That is your slip knot. Now for today's practice, we're going to make a swatch of about 20 chains wide. So to chain, you're going to wrap your hook around your yarn, turn the hook down and pull through the loop. Again, wrap your hook around your yarn, turn it down, pull through the loop. Try to make your chains nice and uniform, not too loose and not too tight. Okay, so we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now we've got 20 chains. Now the treble crochet is quite a tall stitch, so we need to get our height for our first row. So we're going to chain an extra 3. 1, 2, 3, which will form our height. And we're working our first treble crochet into the 5th loop from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going to work into this chain here. To treble crochet, you yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the 5th chain from the hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now you will have 4 loops on your hook. You'll yarn over, turn your hook down and pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Now you're left with 3. Again, yarn over, turn your hook down, pull through another 2 loops on your hook. Now we're left with 2. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. There's our first treble crochet. Yarn over twice, find your next chain, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. You've got 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, turn your hook down, pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Yarn over, last 2 loops. That's our second one. Do one more together. Yarn over twice. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops and the next 2 and the last 2. Now carry on making your treble crochets into every chain along the foundation chain, and I'll see you at the end. So I'm now at the end of my first row. Count your stitches just to make sure we've still got 20. To get onto our next row, we're going to chain 4, and turn our work over. Now chain 4 is going to form our first stitch, so we're not going to start our next treble crochet into this first stitch here. We're going to go under this second one from the end. So again, just yarn over twice, go under both of these loops in a second stitch from the end, yarn over, pull through 2 and 2 and 2, and again we're going under both of these loops here. So yarn over twice, under the next one, and now we're going to carry on. Let's do a practice about 8 rows of treble crochets to really give us an idea of what the finished product will look and feel like. Don't forget to chain 4 at the end of each row to start your new row. And when you start your new row, don't go into the first stitch, go into the second stitch. Okay, I'll see you in a little while. So I've now done 8 rows of treble crochets, and you can really get the feel or what the fabric's going to look like and behave like. It's a very, very stretchy and flexible pattern. So to fasten off, we're just going to yarn over, pull through and pull up a loop and cut your yarn and pull through to finish off.